The answers for 5 through 8 are 5 is 6, 6 is 24, number 7 is 24,360, and number 8 is 62,250. Stay for the explanation on any that you missed, please. 5 says Kevin Klondrite rented 3 videos from his local video store, but he can't decide in what order to watch them. How many choices does he have? That's 3P3. He's going to watch all 3, and the order matters. Sometimes you might think, why does the order matter? Maybe he doesn't want to watch the horror movie last, right before he goes to sleep. Something like that. All right, but there are 3 times 2 times 1 or 6 ways to watch those movies, 6 different permutations. You have a homework assignment in each of 4 different subjects tonight. And how many different orders can you do the 4 assignments? Here, this is an easy explanation to understand why the order matters. You always do math first because it's most important. So this would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. Actually, English is most important, but I'm the math teacher, so I have to say math is most important. And how many different ways can the president, vice president, and treasurer be elected from a class of 30 students? Oh, here now we've got 30 students, but we're only selecting 3 of them. And the order matters because the person you pick for president, you award president to a specific person. It matters who's president, who's vice president, who's treasurer. Those are different jobs. So this is 30 factorial over 30 minus 3 factorial, or 30 factorial over 27 factorial. So when I expand the 30 factorial, I'll stop at 27 factorial so that I can factor out the 27 factorial over 27 factorial, or 1. And I get 30 times 29 times 28. Real quick just to make sure. 24,360 is correct. A radio disc jockey on number 8 has a library of 250 different songs from which to choose. And how many different ways can he program the next 2 songs? So that's the permutation of 250 songs taken 2 at a time. So that's 250 factorial over 250 minus 2 factorial, or 250 factorial over 248 factorial. So we'll have 250 times 249 times 248 factorial over 248 factorial. Those cancel out. Also, you don't necessarily even need this permutation formula if you understand the fundamental counting principle well, because how many choices does he have for the first song he plays? 250. Once he's played that song, assuming he doesn't play the same song twice in a row, he only has 249 choices for the second song. That's the expression you see there. 250 times 249. 62,250.